Beautiful morning to all my dear students. How are you all? Are you all fine? Okay, I hope that you all are fine and you all are revising your concept for your final assessment, right? Okay, students, let's start our today's subject, which is your English. So, you for English, you have to open your writing skills book, which is there on screen. Open your book. Come on page number 5858 from your book. So this is your page number 58, students. Okay, if you want to cross check, so it's written below. So this is your 5858. So you have to open this page. Okay, before starting this worksheet, you have to write the topmost column, today's date. So today date is 5th of March. Okay, so here you have to write 5. It's third month, so here you have to write 03 and the year is 2021. Okay, so here you have to write the date. The day is Friday, so you're gonna circle the Friday abbreviation. Okay, go outside, check the weather today, and circle the clip art. Okay, so what we gonna do in this worksheet? Let's read the caption first. So it's action words. Action क्या होता है? जैसे आप वर्क करते हो, ठीक है? सपोज यू आर वॉकिंग ऑन रोड. रोड पर आप क्या कर रहे हो? क्या एक्शन कर रहे हो? वॉक कर रहे हो, ठीक है? यू आर रनिंग. सो वो क्या है? रनिंग इज एन एक्शन. ओके, जो भी आप काम करते हो उसको हम एक्शन बोलते हैं, ठीक है? Like playing, eating, chopping fruits, vegetables. Okay, these all are actions. So, what you have to do, you have to see the pictures over here and choose the correct action and fill it over here to complete the sentence. Okay, students, but before starting this, let's read the information. Read and tick the correct वर्ड एंड फिल इन द ब्लैंक. पहले आपको रीड करना है और जो भी करेक्ट वर्ड है उस पर टिक मार्क करना है एंड देन सूटेबल प्लेस पे आपको वो राइट डाउन करके फिल इन द ब्लैंक को कंप्लीट करना है, राइट? जैसे मैम ने भी आपको बताया कि जो भी यहाँ से सूटेबल आपका एक्शन वर्ड है वो यहाँ पे आप राइट डाउन करोगे और अपने सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करके उसको एक मीनिंग प्रोवाइड करोगे, ठीक है? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, one more thing I want to tell is this worksheet is divided in two halves. Okay, the first portion we perform today and the next portion we do the next day. Okay, so आज के लिए हम अपना upper portion ही cover करेंगे. It's the easy task for you all. So students, first of all, you try to complete this sentence. What is the first sentence? The boy dash. This is a fill in the blank. तो अब आपको यहाँ पर एक suitable word fill करना है, ठीक है? The boy dash on the road. Boy क्या कर रहा है रोड पर? Walk, walks, plays, play कर रहा है? No, he is not playing. Eat, नहीं. There is nothing in his hand. Read, no, he is not having a book. How can he read? Run, no, he is not running. So what he do? He walks. The boy walks. So walks is the right एक्शन वर्ड, ठीक है? तो अब यहाँ पे राइट एक्शन वर्ड क्या लिखोगे? वॉक. तो कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस. द बॉय वॉक्स ऑन द रोड. क्या कर रहा है? वॉक कर रहा है, ठीक है? तो दिस वन इज ऑलरेडी रिटन, यू जस्ट हैव टू ट्रेस इट. ओके, सो वॉक क्या है? एक्शन वर्ड. बॉय क्या कर रहा है? क्या एक्शन कर रहा है? वॉक कर रहा है. ओके, चलो द नेक्स्ट. अब सी दिस पिक्चर. व्हाट इज ही डूइंग? क्या कर रहा है? ये बॉल के साथ प्ले कर रहा है. व्हाट ही इज डूइंग? प्ले विद बॉल, है ना? प्ले इज द एक्शन वर्ड. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ यू हैव टू search over here. Which one is the correct one? Eat, no, he is not eating. Read, no. Run, no, he is not running, he is just playing. So Ravi plays with the ball. किसके साथ play कर रहा है? Ball के साथ. Read the full sentence. Ravi plays with the ball. Plays is the right option. So here you have to write plays. Okay, plays. P L A Y plays with the ball. Ravi plays with the ball. Okay, so picture say you can come to know that what he or she is doing, right? Okay, Neha. Okay, firstly we will read the half. Neha likes to dash ice cream. आइसक्रीम क्या करनी पसंद है उसको? आइसक्रीम क्या करते हैं हम? रीड करते हैं? नो। आइसक्रीम के साथ रन करते हैं? नो। ईट। नेहा likes to eat, so eat is the right word, so here you have to write eat. नेहा eat, नेहा likes to eat ice cream. क्या पसंद है नेहा को? आइसक्रीम खाना पसंद है। Likes to eat ice cream. Okay, the next is Ajay dash a book. What he is doing? Ajay क्या कर रहा है? Reads a book. Ajay क्या कर रहा है? Reads. So read is an action word. So Ajay reads a book. Ajay क्या कर रहा है? Read कर रहा है एक book. So Ajay reads, reads reads a book. Okay. The next is the cat dash after a rat. Cat क्या कर रही है? Rat के पीछे run कर रही है. See, the cat is running. है ना? The cat runs after a rat. Rat के पीछे पीछे क्या कर रही है? Run कर रही है. So here you have to write the action word runs. RUN S runs. The cat runs after a rat. Okay. So this portion you have to complete today, students. These are the action words. Action words बताते हैं कि आप क्या कर रहे हो. ठीक है. What you all are doing. Walk, play, eat. Okay. That's it. Now you have to come towards your next subject, which is creative. So for creative you have to bring out a blank sheet. Okay, ma'am ने आपके लिए एक worksheet draw करी है. So today we do a revision related to the patrons. ठीक है, हमने different shapes करी है. तो through this worksheet we will revise the concept of our shape as well as the concept of patron. Okay, so you just have to bring out a blank paper sheet where you just have to make a similar kind of worksheet, right? Then we will start. Okay, students, so first thing which you have to do is, this is a blank paper sheet. So first thing which you have to write is the date. So what is the date today? Today is 5th of March. Okay, so firstly you have to write the date. Okay, then if you want to take a printout, तो आप printout भी कर सकते हो by taking a screenshot. Otherwise you have the blank sheet, तो आप blank sheet पर ये patterns draw कर सकते हो. ठीक है, one triangle, then a rectangle. Firstly we will recognize the shape. Which shape is this, students? This is a square. Okay, this one is a triangle, this is a rectangle, and this is a circle. Okay, so you all know these shapes. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to form a pattern like this. Firstly draw a triangle, then a rectangle, then again a triangle, then a rectangle. What come next? You have to tell me what comes after rectangle, which pattern we are following. After rectangle we have to draw over here a triangle. तो ये जो आपने upper triangle है, you can also cut this shape and paste it over here. Otherwise you have the pencil with you, तो आप pencil से भी draw कर सकते हो shape को. Okay, it's as per your choice. If you want to paste a triangle over here तो आप paste भी कर सकते हो. Otherwise आप खुद से hand draw भी कर सकते हो. Okay, now come to the next. Okay, what comes over here? Which shapes come over here? So you have to form a triangle over here. ठीक है, because after rectangle there is a ट्रायंगल. ठीक है, तो पैटर्न को बिल्कुल अच्छे से फोकस करने की क्या पैटर्न यहाँ पे फॉलो हो रहा है. ठीक है, ओके. द नेक्स्ट इज, now see with the full focus. This is a square, then after square it's a circle. then again yellow square, then circle. So after circle again you have to form a square, right? So here you have to draw a square, and you can also color it with the same color. ठीक है, आपकी कलर रिकॉग्निशन भी हो जाएगी, आप सेम कलर के थ्रू भी आप इसको कलर कर सकते हो. ठीक है, द नेक्स्ट इज this, which shape is this? Rectangle, blue rectangle. ठीक है, and this is a triangle, orange triangle. Then again rectangle, then triangle, then what comes over here? Rectangle, है ना. After triangle it's rectangle. We are following the same pattern, तो आपको वही फॉलो करना है. ठीक है, okay, the last one is, now you have to tell me what comes over here. It's a circle, very good. This one is a square, good. Again circle, then square. Acha, what comes over here? यहाँ क्या आएगा? There is a square, so here you have to draw a circle. Fine. Okay, now at last what you have to do is you have to color it with the same color. ठीक है, सेम कलर से अगर आप इसको करोगे तो आपको पैटर्न और विजिबल होंगे अच्छे से. सो नाउ द ट्राइंगल इज ऑफ ऑरेंज कलर, सो हियर यू कैन टेक द ऑरेंज कलर फ्रॉम द कलर बार. वेट फॉर अ व्हाइल. ओके, तो आप क्या करोगे स्टूडेंट्स? यू हैव टू color it with your crayons. I'm taking my crayon over here, so I'll do the orange color in my triangle. Okay, so just like this, you have to do color in all these shapes. Okay, and follow the same color जो already आपका shapes में हुआ हुआ है. So that's it for your today creative work. You have to complete these patterns and then share the pictures with me. So I'm giving you some time to complete this worksheet. Now we will come back towards our next subject, which is Hindi. So hurry up, complete this worksheet and then come back towards the next subject, Hindi. Okay students, let's come towards your next subject, which is maths. Okay, so you have to kindly bring out your maths book. This is your mathematics book. So open your maths book and come on page number 6565 from your book. And in our previous session we are talking about the concept of time, है ना. मैम ने आपको बताया था that you have parents, you have to show the real clock to our kids. ठीक है, ताकि उनका जो कंसेप्ट है वो डेवलप हो. ठीक है, तो आई होप दैट आपने जो इंट्रोडक्शन दी है, डिस्क्राइब किया है, उसको विद द रियल क्लॉक ही डिस्क्राइब किया. ठीक है, तो स्टूडेंट्स टुडे वी आर doing a worksheet related to the same concept. Okay, so this is your page number 6565. Before starting this worksheet, first of all you have to come on top and write the date first. So today is 5th of March and the year is 2021. I told you before as well. So firstly you have to fill this column. The day is Friday, so you have to circle the abbreviation above and go outside, check the weather today and circle the clip art. The caption is clock and time. तो clock हमें क्या बताती है? Time बताती है. ठीक है, wherever you are, आपको late हो रही है, then you will see the clock. When you have to go somewhere, you see the clock that मैं जल्दी हूँ या late हूँ, है ना. So clock is very much important. Why? Because it's keep on telling us time. So the importance of time is very important. So students, today आज हम क्या करेंगे? A worksheet related to clock and time. Before starting a worksheet, let's read below. मैच द क्लॉक टू द करेक्ट टाइम. तो आपने क्या करना है, ये आपको कुछ क्लॉक्स दी हुई है और इधर पोर्शन में आपको टाइम गिवन है. ठीक है, तो आपको राइट क्लॉक को राइट टाइम के साथ मैच करवाना है. ठीक है, एंड स्टूडेंट्स एज यू सी बिलो, there is a conversation in two friends, Tony and Tina. So Tony said, hickory dickory dock, The mouse went up the clock. Tina said, the clock struck I, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. This is my favorite rhyme, Tony said. Tina said, mine too. Tony said, the hands tells us what o'clock we have. जो hands होते हैं, I told you ना, there is a big hand and there is a little one hand. One is the hour hand and one is the minute hand. तो जो hands होते हैं clock के, वो हमें क्या बताते हैं कि क्या time हुआ है. So Tina said, I can see it's 3 o'clock. टीना कहती है जब आपकी आर हैंड 3 पर है और आपकी जब मिनट हैंड 12 पर है, सो आई कैन सी कि क्या टाइम हुआ है, 3 o'clock हुए हैं, ठीक है. सो नाउ यू हैव टू कम अप एंड मैच द करेक्ट टाइम विद द correct clock. Okay, I told you before and I am repeating it again, students. जो आपकी स्मॉल हैंड होती है, ठीक है, द ब्लू वन, ये आप देखो, ब्लू वन इज द स्मॉलेस्ट हैंड, है ना. ये जो आपकी स्मॉल हैंड है, ये आपको आवर बताती है कि क्या कितने घंटे हुए हैं, ठीक है. सो इट इज ऑन 10. और जो आपकी मिनट हैंड है, इट्स ऑलवेज ऑन 12. तो व्हाट्स द टाइम, इट्स 10 o'clock. नाउ योर our hand is on 1, so that means it's 1 o'clock. Now if you come down, your hand is on 8, है ना, 8 पर शो कर रही है एरो, so it's 8 o'clock. Now see the next. Where is your R hand? It's pointing towards number 6, है ना, that means it's 6 o'clock. Here it's pointing towards 7, that means 7 o'clock. Okay, so now we will match the correct clock with the correct time. Here it's 10, the R hand pointing towards the 10 number. Okay, so that means it's 10 o'clock. So now here you can come down. 10 o'clock को you have to match with number. Take pencil in your hand and match it with the correct time. This is 10 o'clock. Now see this picture where the R hand pointing towards, it's 1. So the timing is 1. Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, fine. So this is the 10 o'clock and this is 1 o'clock. Okay, so it's a little bit mistake. Okay, let's correct it. So the 10 o'clock is this and this one is the 1 o'clock. Okay, so pay attention over here, students, because मैम से गलती हो गई है यहाँ पे, तो आप ध्यान से करना. Okay, चलो, come to the next. Here the R hand pointing towards 8, so the time is 8 o'clock. Now here the R hand pointing towards 6, that means it's 6 o'clock, right? Here it's pointing towards 7, so the time is 7 o'clock, right? See, it's so easy. The concept of time is so easy. You like it? Yes, ma'am. Very good. I too like it. ओके, तो आप घर पे भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो अपनी रियल क्लॉक को वॉच करके, ठीक है. मम्मा को आप टाइम बता सकते हो, दैट मम्मा सी नाउ इट्स 2 o'clock, नाउ सी इट्स 3 o'clock. ओके, तो आपकी प्रैक्टिस भी होती जाएगी, ठीक है. दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. नाउ यू हैव टू ब्रिंग आउट योर डेली डायरी. लेट्स राइट योर डेली डायरी. Okay, first of all, you have to write the date on top. What's the date today? Today is 5th of March. Yes or no? Yes, ma'am. Okay, so here you have to write the date. Now, firstly, we will write the work for our first subject, which is English. So in English, you have to do page number 58 in your writing skills book. ठीक है, आपको पेज नंबर 58 करना है इन writing skill book. Okay, I'll write over here. Now, in creative, what we are doing in creative, you have to do patterns, right? We are doing revision. So here we will write revise the shapes and patterns. Okay. The next is your math subject. ATH is maths. Now we will write the diary for it. So what we had done in today class, you have to do do page number 6565 of unit B. Okay, so this is your daily diary. You have to complete your daily diary on regular basis. Students, keep on sharing it with me and revise your concept because your final assessments are going to start this month. So अभी से आप revision करोगे, so it would be better for you. Okay, and wherever you feel doubt, you can ask me. Okay, that's it for today class. Have a good day. Bye bye.